First of all, make sure the hose bib is turned off. Using the garden lock key, measure beneath the original handle and the top of the gland nut to see if it is necessary to use the free spinning spacer. It is not necessary to use it in this case, so go ahead and remove the original handle. Once the handle is removed, take the threaded adapter, place on top of the stem, and secure it with the original screw. Once that's nice and snug, take the Allen wrench that is provided and tighten the set screw in the side of the threaded adapter. Nice and secure on the stem. Insert the key into the garden lock and screw on as normal. With the key remaining in the garden lock, the hose bib is now operable. You can turn the water on and off. Once the key is removed, the handle renders the hose bib inoperable. You cannot turn the water on or off, securing your hose bib.